Welcome to this video. We are from Ranong School and we will be discussing the biodiversity ecological roles of shipworm in the mangrove ecosystem of Ranong Province.
Biodiversity of shipworm. Introduction. Teredo species, commonly known as shipworms, are bivalve mollusks belonging to the family Teredidae. Shipworms inhabit various types of submerged wood, which serve both as their primary food source and as a habitat. They possess a shell-like structure at the anterior end and digest wood using enzymes secreted by symbiotic bacteria. Their bodies are elongate and worm-like, with a siphon at the posterior end that facilitates water transport. Additionally, shipworm possess a specialist structure called a palate, which is used for species identification.
Objective. This study aims to study some biological characteristics of shipworm, to study the species diversity of shipworm, to use the experimental result to develop basic information for the sustainable management of spatial database system for shipworm. Is mangrove forest.
Methodology. Samples of shipworm will be collected from mangrove forest in Ranong Province to examine species composition, population density, external morphological characteristics, as well as environmental parameters such as dissolved oxygen levels, pH value, and habitat conditions. Species identification. Shipworms can be categorized into 4 distinct species based on their palate morphology. Bactronophorus thoracites, characterized by a hard, elongated structure with a rounded tip. Teredo navalis exhibit a hard palate with broad ridges and a U-shaped tip. Bankia bipennata, recognized by closely arranged hair-like structures. Bankia carinata features a hard, fixed tube-like structure oriented upward.
Environmental parameter. Dissolved oxygen level. The average dissolved oxygen concentration range from 6.91 to 12.91 mg per liter, which fall within the optimal range for wood-bearing shipworm. pH level. The recorded pH values range from 5.91 to 6.42, indicating a brackish water environment suitable for shipworm habitation.
Finding and discussion. Previous studies on the biological characteristics of wood-bearing shipworm in the mangrove forest of all 5 districts of Ranong Province have revealed similar ecological conditions. Shipworm, classified under the bivalve mollusk family, possess a hard, loud shell-like structure at the anterior end. Measurement of dissolved oxygen level is 6.91 to 12.9 mg per liter, and pH level is 5.91 to 8.42. Confirm that these environmental conditions are conducive to shipworm survival. Shipworms were found to be abundant in mangrove forest ecosystem.
Additionally, shipworms were observed on all types of wood examined, suggesting that they coexist with shipworms into the same habitat. This highlights the ecological interaction between different marine organisms within the mangrove ecosystem. This study provides fundamental insight into the biodiversity of shipworms and their environmental requirements, contributing to the knowledge necessary for their conservation and sustainable management.
Thank you for paying attention.